What's up?
He assaulted me. He trespassed on my property.
Okay, where's the knife?
I can't give you that.
Okay.
What else do you need?
Sir! What's up?
He assaulted me. He trespassed on my property.
Okay, where's the knife?
I can't give you that.
Okay, I need you to take it out of your pocket and give it to me right now.
I can't do that.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
It's my property.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
I would be careful with it.
Yeah, no!
Shots fired, 0834. We're notifying state police.
Get up, everyone! I need the people back up! Back up!
I'm retired.
I need everyone to back up!
This is the guy he attacked before.
All right, we'll come back.
Well, I'm going to give you his wallet.
Aaron, you need to get the knife away from him so we can get him.
Dispatch for Saranac Lake.
Okay, you got it.
1 EMS call. Stewart, EPD on scene. Possible gunshot wound.
Aaron,
Repeating for Saranac Lake. Priority 1 EMS call. Stewart.
back.
I'll do
Okay.
whatever you want.
Okay, I need you to get the book bag out of my passenger side seat. The book bag out of the passenger side seat.
835.
Yeah, we just called for ambulance. You can give him another call.
Yes, please.
Call the bar or Swain. We got that.
I need somebody's shirt. Can somebody give me their shirt, please? Yes. Where did you hit him, Aaron? The chest?
Yeah,
What else do you need?
Sir. Unconscious, not breathing.
What do you need?
I need something for the pressure.
Can you open my book bag? Yes, it's picked up.
What do you need, ma'am?
Do you need me to hold the pressure while you look?
Yeah, can you hold it?
Yes, absolutely.
Hold the pressure as hard as you can.
Update, outpatient, not conscious, not breathing.
Come on, man. Hang in there. Okay, hang in there.
How many times you hit him? 2 times to the chest.
Come on, man. Hang in there.
Just take a deep breath.
Hang in there, man. Hang in there. EMS is on the way.
Quick shot. Yeah.
Your hand?
He's not conscious, not breathing.
He's breathing a little. He just took like 4 breaths.
They're not real breaths.
Let's just start doing some
I have
pressure.
yep, you want to start CPR?
I'm gonna have you move your hand.
You already have it.
Demolish your firefighter if you need me to step in. Oh, you're good. Just. Hey, Corey. Traumatic arrest, stab wounds to the heart.
No, it's gunshot wounds.
Gunshot wounds. Gunshot wounds? Yes.
Yep.
Okay. Well, just get the monitor. Yep. Ryan, can you get your gloves too?
I'll try it. Keep going.
I don't know if I got hit.
Thank you.
Are you okay? No, I don't know if I got hit with the knife.
Okay. All right.
All right, you guys want to take it from her paper?
I need to get away. I need to get over here, please. I need to get over here, please.
Yeah. He didn't get you, did he?
I don't know. I don't.